See this tightly wound strand? That's filament. Available in an array of colors and various materials, each with its unique properties. From the spool, it travels into the heart of a 3D printer. Heated up, it becomes malleable, building designs layer by meticulous layer. It's through this process that ideas take shape, literally. Different filaments have unique characteristics. Some are bendy, like this TPU, while others can be strong, transparent, or biodegradable. The end result? Limitless possibilities existing in each spool. Now imagine, what will your filament become? Enjoy, find time for kindness, and use plastic responsibly.